Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. Let's get started. Okay, so check it. Using effective transitions is super important when going between the different parts of your life. Here we have a map of Derek's life. Let's take a listen. What the fuck? What the fuck is this shit, man? Okay, clearly Derek is growing up way too fast. Okay, he's going from being a small child into a grown adult man in just a matter of a few short years. And, when people grow up too fast, they lose a sense of themselves. And as a result, spend their entire adult lives getting tattoos and piercings just to feel something. One way we can make the transition between Derek's childhood into his adulthood a little bit smoother is by having an element carry over. For example, Derek's love for books, which sounds like this. Oh, he really loves those books. So let's just take a listen. Let's hear how that sounds going from his childhood into his adulthood. Okay, a little bit smoother. But here's the thing, we're still not giving Derek enough indication that a big change in his life is happening. And what better way to do that than by adding a little bit of white noise? Let's take a listen. Okay. So now when Derek sees, new patches of hair sprout up in unfamiliar parts of his body, he won't be so surprised. But here's the thing, Derek's still not acting on this new indication that a big change in his life is happening. So we're going to have to take some disciplinary measures. Let's take away his Xbox just for a little bit. Okay, just, not too bad. I'm not a bad parent or anything. Just for a little while so he can focus on himself before this big change. Let's take a listen. Okay, it's a little bit better. But here's the thing, Derek is still woefully underprepared for this big change in his life. And, I get it. I was young once, all right? And, I also understand that Derek is a millennial. Okay, he's not used to adult life coming at a reasonable time. Okay, he's used to having it postponed indefinitely. So what we're gonna do is highlight this first section of his adult life here. We're gonna have the loop bracket just go around it by hitting Command L, and we're gonna right click on that loop bracket and hit duplicate time and just delay the onset of his adult life for just a little while longer, okay? And get rid of all these pesky responsibilities. He can't handle that. Get rid of all that stuff. And what we're just going to do is we're just going to, give him a gap year in South America or some shit. It just sounds like this. Right, hopefully he'll find himself or something, and then let's just give him a little bit more white noise. I guess one white noise just wasn't enough, and let's just take a listen, hear how he does in South America. Childhood. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? He's practically a new man. That gap year in South America really did wonders, okay? It gave Derek just enough time to find himself so that he could be a functional adult human being contributing to society. Give yourself a tap on the wrist. You guys are great parents. Okay, so check it. If you're still having trouble transitioning into the next stage of your life, it might be time to sign up for some private lessons by hitting the link in the video description below. Also, be sure to join my Discord and subreddit to submit your tracks for my live roasting session happening this Sunday at 12 p.m. PST. I'm Underbelly. See you soon.